First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to our family and friends from the media press, especially a lot of familiar faces are with us this afternoon. Some of my friends from Philippine Pageantry, maraming salamat po talaga for being here. With great honor and pride po talaga to be the next ambassador of Royal Aesthetics. Why? Because after years of being Miss Universe Philippines, still, there's a lot of blessings na dumarating. And I would consider po talaga na this brand, ay isa sa pinakamalaking blessing na nakuha ko this year. Because they trusted me, they saw something in me that we share the same values and the same principles, tsaka kung ano yung pananaw namin in terms of beauty. So, importante po talaga to be with a brand na may common denominator kayo. That's why I'm so blessed and I'm so overwhelmed that up until this moment in my life, may mga nagtitiwala pa rin po sa akin. And also, I would like to acknowledge my managers, Miss John and Sir Mao, right there, for helping me make my dreams come true.